I've been getting paid $1,000 a month, if not more, just from this app on my phone.
You curious to see how I got paid $2,317.16 this month without lifting a finger? I literally did not spend a second of time, a penny of my money, or a single thought to make this money.
I just wanted to jump on here real quick and point this out because I pointed out the last video that she was showing that she got checks. What is she getting checks for? So she's showing she's getting checks from Audible, and this dude's just showing us electronically. So they're husband and wife, if you didn't know that. Who's got checks? Who's sending checks? Who's using checks in 2023? Nobody. So I just wanted to jump on there before I officially started the video. So let's officially start the video right now.
I have a real problem with what I call the perpetual circle of uselessness, which is dudes trying to teach you how to be a business coach or a life coach or a success coach or whatever, and all they've done their entire life, they've never actually accomplished or done anything. They've just taught others how to be a success coach and a life coach. And so
there are things in life I don't like mayonnaise on burgers or pineapple on pizza. But there's only one thing that I truly cannot stand.
You gotta sell something. I don't know what you gotta sell, but you gotta sell something.
This is what's happening tonight. It's the masterclass on how to go from 0 to a 7-figure revenue business.
When people say, oh, is this get rich quick? You better hope that it is.
But they mislead you on purpose. And I get tired of it. And I don't think it's right that we deliberately mislead people as much as we do. And my father was trying to teach me something, and it really worked. I spent my whole life trying to be like Grant McFadden. And I want to tell you, it works. It really works. Peter Coffin is always telling me if the crooks only knew how much money you could make by being honest, they'd all behave differently. Warren has a wonderful saying I like. He says, you take the high road, it's never crowded.
Online marketers or gurus as a whole annoy me. The Mikkelsen twins and the people involved with them aren't the worst of the bunch. I'm spotlighting them in this video because I see them every single day when trying to watch my YouTube shows. I've worked with marketers. I've upkeeped marketers' websites. I know how they think and act and the scummy practices they, practice. There is a reason behind my disdain for this people. I'm not talking all online marketers, just a vast majority of them, or at least the ones who keep popping up on my YouTube feed. Now, I didn't plan to make back-to-back videos on the Mikkelsen twins or Christian's spouse. Let me make this clear. I only draw my conclusions from what I see in their advertisements and what I can research online. I obviously don't personally know these people or what goes through their heads. I believe their tactics to be unethical and cringe. This is the opinion I wish to share with you. Goes without saying, don't bother these people. If you want to send a message to them, just don't buy their products. If you happen to like them, then the beauty of capitalism is you can spend your money on anything you want to. 99.9% of the commercials that end up before or in the middle of the YouTube video I'm watching are fine. They can get annoying to the fact they're repeated over and over again, but not to the point where I'm compelled to make a video on them. Marnie Kinrys and the Mikkelsen twins, and now Christian Mikkelsen's wife Charlotte, are the exceptions as they annoy the living shit out of me. I've worked with marketers before, as I mentioned. I know their tactics, and it is pretty easy to spot someone who just wants to take your money with the littlest work possible, or the ones that want to offer a quality product. I don't find the Mikkelsen twins product to be of quality. I think it's a piece of shit, and it's also nothing you can't learn for free by searching YouTube or Google. The product we're talking about is an online course that shows you how to make money with Audible. If you watch my last video about Charlotte Chan, I told you exactly how it's done for free. That means I didn't charge you anything to learn how to do it. This is a follow-up to that video, something I wrote a while back I wanted to share.
There's nothing as useless as those YouTubers, self-help gurus that just feed you inspirational cliches and tell you that if you keep buying their books, you'll magically manifest success and riches, somehow be getting laid all the time, you'll be getting more pussy than a pair of panties. They just keep pumping these programs that are extremely expensive that are somehow convincing desperate people that by spending money on this program, it'll allow them to become these successful alpha males.
They all come off as this is some huge, giant secret recipe that no one knows about, and that's a total fabrication. Any marketer worth their salt knows what Audible is and how to make money off it. Most consumers today are sophisticated enough to realize how money is made online. We may as well continue things that annoy me today with Charlotte Chan's video. Last month I discussed Marnie Kinrys and how her commercials keep popping up in front of my YouTube videos I watch. Today I'm going to discuss another set of boneheads. Charlotte Chan, Christian Mikkelsen's wife, shot a cute new YouTube ad for Audiobook Income Academy. She says there's a better way to make money on Amazon than selling physical products. She says that while lounging on her couch in the sun with her adorable puppy cuddled next to her. If you watched my video earlier this week, I already tore into that commercial. The Mikkelsen twins marketing always makes it sound much faster, easier, and cheaper than it really is. And hey, I get it. Marketers gonna market, right? But a little more balance would be nice. A little more truth would be nice. I see Christian has indoctrinated his wife into the world of marketing. Not a world you find the truest of people in. Being told that something is new and no one else is talking about it is horseshit. It's a little known secret, quote, quote, or whatever bullshit spin you want to put on it. Doesn't make that true, and we know it's a lie. Audible is a very well-known facilitator of content. People realize you can make money off of the service. All these marketers seem to involve a simple 3 or 4 or 5 or pick your number step system, or that little known loophole that only they can teach you, or some sort of copy and paste shortcut that only they can bestow upon you, while there are 1,000 YouTube videos teaching the same thing. My favorite is being told you need no skills or time to do any of this. Money will simply appear out your ass for totally no reason if you follow these 3, 6, 15, whatever arbitrary number they want to throw at you, steps of this process you can figure out yourself easily or already get for free online because there are a million other websites and YouTube videos talking about it. If these knuckleheads were such a great success they claim to be and make millions of dollars, they wouldn't be pushing some lame-ass course on YouTube. They would be spending their time making multi-million-dollar deals to increase their wealth, not charging $299 for some shitty course of materials you can easily find for free elsewhere. That's not what millionaires do. Let me turn my attention back to these knuckleheads. Now, I made a video of them back almost a year ago, and again, they are the Mikkelsen twins, and they are the cringe of online gurus. Why do I point them out? That's a very good question, because their dumbass ads keep popping up before all the videos I watch on YouTube. It's the same with Marnie Kinrys, and her dumbass commercials keep popping up and annoying me. Here's the happy couple right here. No, not those Mikkelsens. Those Mikkelsens. They look like a very happy couple, they're certainly good-looking people, and they're both annoying and scummy as fuck. I would say a relationship made in heaven. Good for you, you happily screw people out of their money together. Oh, they allegedly screw people out of their money because it can only go by the shitty practices I see in their commercials and how they push their scummy marketing business. So they allegedly screw people out of their money. I have 2 issues with what the Mikkelsen twins are selling here. One, I felt as though Christian lied to me in his ad when he swore up and down that you could do this with no upfront cost at all. Yet in reality, you're looking at no less than $700 just to launch your first audiobook. 2, is it just me, or is the entire business about spamming Audible with low-quality garbage no one asked for kind of scummy as well? I answer yes. Imagine telling your parents that this is how you make money. How embarrassing. You want me to stop making videos about you? Then get your dumb commercials off my feed. You are cringe. The fact you don't see that is my problem. Go get a fucking moral job and get your shitty ads off YouTube. Here is pretty much every ad from every guru ever. Look out for and stay away if they say any of the following. Being told that something is new and no one else is talking about it. If it involves a simple 3, 5, 132-step system or little-known loophole or some sort of copy and paste shortcut. Being forced to enter your email or sometimes your phone number to access the free training, which is not training at all, but just an infomercial to buy their crappy online course. The free training in reality is a 90-minute webinar that taught you nothing. Being pressured by a stupid countdown timer to buy something or sign up for something. Being spammed with daily emails and sometimes text messages to go back and buy the thing that should have already expired when the timer hit 0, according to them anyways. Super douchey look at my Lambo and mansion marketing. Presentations that only sell the dream and hardly mention the business. Unrealistic income claims, especially when they make it sound like you hardly have to work at all and you'll get results fast. Sound familiar, Mikkelsen Twins and Wife? If they tell you that you don't need any computer skills or any life skills whatsoever, and it will only take 32 seconds of your time each day to make a 6-figure salary in 33 seconds. Business models include any of the following: inventory, customer support, recruiting, high-pressure selling, ban-happy platforms like Amazon and Audible and Walmart, high overhead, excessive competition, or having to pay for ads. Showing screenshots of what students wrote in the Facebook group instead of filming real case studies with them, which is much more valuable. They come up with some price tag out of their butts about what the entire package would cost and then sell it for what they were originally going to sell it for in the first place. All this together is retailed at $16,000, but if you act today, you'll get everything for $199.99. They hold up a hard-covered book that they purchased online from an on-demand printer, so they had something tangible to hold in their hands during their stupid video that potential customers will be sent for free, and it ends up being a PDF file. Retargeting ads stalk me everywhere I go online. Said coaches who clearly spend their entire day promoting their program and coming up with the next cringy ad. Do you think they would be spending all this time if they really had money? Answer: no. Being asked to book a call without being told the price first. Not guaranteeing any results. Upsells once you're in the program and as soon as you're in the program. Getting in and realizing the training is completely outdated. Logan and Jake Paul, anybody? Not getting the support and accountability you were promised. Feeling like a $sign and not a human being, and being shamed into a lifestyle you don't probably need in the first place, probably don't want in the first place, and they don't have that lifestyle because they're full of shit. Showing checks they received in the mail that are actually printed off their own printer with templates they found online. And make sure they say there are only a few people who know about this secret, even though there are 200 videos on YouTube already posted about it. Search Google. It takes you 10 seconds to find out these people are full of shit.
Now, the easiest and quickest way to make money online is to be a fake guru. That's it. It's fake guru. Just be a fake guru.
Now, you never see any of these gurus show up like any type of talk show or be interviewed. I mean, something that's not set up. None of the people that are in this video have I ever seen, and I've looked, sat down and taken honest questions and had an honest discussion. So, hey, if for some reason the Mikkelsens, Wife, or any of these marketers on here happen to see my little itty teeny little baby channel and would love to come on and talk about some of these practices, I'm not going to set them up. I'm not going to be jerky or anything. I'm going to ask them honest questions and points that I've already addressed in this video. So that's another marketing video that I made about online gurus, or online gurus. Should I do that? And thank you as always, gals and guys, for listening. I'm going to go back to my IT tutorials, methinks, and I appreciate you if you could subscribe. I would like that very much, and please like this video if you liked it. If you're a scummy guru marketer, like it, and then share it with your scummy guru friends, and then have your scummy guru friends hit the bell, okay? And then I thank you. I'll talk to you later. Bye.